We're here today for Water Safety Week. So LSV are launching their drowning report.
Look, unfortunately, we've noticed a trend involving our middle-aged male, often drug or alcohol affected, finding themselves in the water and obviously not being able to react properly, and unfortunately they end up drowning. But if you're with somebody and they're drinking, don't let them get in the water. Have that conversation, encourage them to keep out. If you are getting into a boat, make sure you've got a life jacket on. You know, one of the very sad things that we often see is Victorians travelling to the border, and in particularly the Murray River area, and unfortunately deciding not to wear life jackets in small boats, being involved in an incident, and then finding themselves in the water.
And in Victoria, we talk about knowing the weather. Well, we've got the Boating Vic app, and it's a great way of informing people.
I cannot encourage recreational and commercial boat operators enough to go and check that weather before they go boating. It's the safest thing to do, and it's a good start to make sure you're going to be able to come home safe and well. So one of the trends we've seen recently, particularly with human-powered crafts, we're seeing them getting blown offshore. And when they get blown offshore, they don't have the adequate safety gear to alert the rescue agencies to come and get them, and that makes it really difficult for us to find them and rescue them.
And as people head to the boat ramps and beaches, do you have any messages for a COVID-safe summer?
I can only imagine that there'll be challenges in launching boats this year, particularly lines at boat ramps. Practice tolerance, be patient, practice social distancing, plan ahead.
Thanks for your time here today. So this summer, it's about water safety and be prepared.